Hi, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to introduce another app, and the purpose of this app is to summarize popular statistical distributions. Sometimes students have faced difficulties how to draw the diagrams and see and check the critical values from the table. So this app summarizes popular distributions and furthermore will be added later on. Start with Z, T, chi-square, F, binomial, Poisson, exponential, uniform. So first of all, I will tell you the interface and then we will discuss about the other distributions. So you can visit this app. The link will be shared in the comments in the comments below. Okay. So when you select normal distribution, you can select two tail, left tail, or a right tail test. Based upon that, the critical values update. And level of significance, you can take 5% or you can select any. If you want to select 99%, you can have select this. Then so if you stop here, then it will give you the critical values and the diagram if you want to just copy it. Okay. And but if you want to do a decision, you can update the diagram by changing the mean value. Let's say my mean value is 3.115 and the standard deviation is 2, so it will update the shape accordingly. Okay, and let's say I want to test any value that I have in my analysis. Let's say my value is 3.4. So what it will do, it will add a line for 3.4 and then it will give the p-value for that and it say do not reject because it's inside the critical region. So this way, this diagram you can copy it and use it in your reports. Okay. Now we go to other example. Let's say it was a right tail test. Still it's inside because the right tail distribution. Now we go to t-test. T-test, I have same 3.4 here. Okay, and the degree of freedom is 10. Okay, so this will work with the normal distribution where we gave the distribution value. Okay, so this is for the t value. So when you have the t value, let's say my t value is 2.05. So test value, so it gives here, so you can see the p value. Let's say update. Mm, so it gives you this value, so it's inside the region. Okay, then if we want to see two tail, it will update to two tail like this. Okay, and we our level is 1%, so it is bigger than 1%, so it is rejected. Okay, similarly we go to chi-square. Same thing is we have 1% level, two tail, degree freedom 10, and the test value is 2.05, so it's uh, significant. It's outside, so it says that reject H naught. Okay, so we can also have a left tail, still reject H naught. If we have a right tail, do not reject H naught. So and then we go to F distribution. Okay, so if you want to check two-sided and if you want to have a test value, let's say we make it 10% now. Okay, and then we have a test value 3.5. So it's outside, so it will reject H naught. So it's way this way you when you do your calculation, you will have the test value. The other parameters this app will provide, and based upon that the shape is made, and you give your test value, it will draw the diagram, and then you can also have a decision here, but the major function is that it gives you a diagram. You can copy it for your presentations just to show that how the decision is made. Then if we have similarly we have a binomial, we have a Poisson, we have exponential, and we have uniform. Okay, so this process will help you to make statistical decisions. I hope you can use it for your calculations in statistics and in advanced econometrics. And if you want to create any test and you want to see the distributional critical values, sometimes we don't have access to the critical value tables. Even if we have, it is limited to certain number of values, and beyond that you need to approximate. But this table is detailed, so you can visit this app using the link shared below. Thank you.